This is the challenge lock. It's either pidser by zizari or zizari by pidser. I'm not exactly sure, and I apologize for that. This was sent to me by Doc Machina to try out. That's the bitting. Here's the key. It works very smooth for a challenge lock. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use Lawlock's Tools 47 thousandths in the top of the keyway and my Moki Standard Slim. Remove this. So remove all this stuff too. So one, maybe something out of 2, 3, 4, 5 is binding. Got some out of 5. Got some out of 4. Gotta make sure I'm on 3, and we got a deep false set. So now back to 1. It didn't go, but that's alright because I'm at a funny angle. So here's, no, that's 2. So here's 1, but I dropped something. I dropped a couple things this time. 1, 2, or maybe I only dropped 3. Oh, did I get it or did I lose it? Did I get it or did I lose it? I got it. Okay. So again, that is from Doc Machina.